Hello guys, welcome. In this small video I would like to show you the battery life of iPhone SE, the new iPhone SE 2020. Before buying this device I saw many reviews on YouTube and most of them saying that its battery life will be maxed out at 4.5 hours. You can get maximum screen on time of 4.5 hours, but I was very apprehensive about it screen on time. But after buying it, I am those videos are totally wrong. Wrong information, because I've been using it. It was delivered on 22nd of October, and I've been using it for past 2 weeks. 2 weeks or so. But the battery life is astonishing, I would say, because this device is not meant for heavy usage. But if you use it moderately, you'll definitely get a great battery life. I would like to show you the screen on time that I'm getting for the past 2 weeks. 3-4 days of screen time I will show you. Before that, you can see how many apps I have downloaded. These are 448. 22 apps I have downloaded, and Call of Duty is a very heavy game. That's also downloaded, and this is Deer Hunter. This is also a very battery draining game. So let me show you the screen on time. And also guys, I would like to tell you that the resolution is always kept at here. This is the level of resolution, the brightness that I keep it at all the times. This is down. I have just lowered it just so that you can see the video clearly. Visible, it will be visible to you. So let me show you the screen on times that I got from this device. Let me show you the screen on time, some screenshots that I have taken in past 2 weeks. Let me show you. Okay guys, you can see this is on 25th of October. You can see the screen on time, 5 hours 48 minutes. I don't think you have seen this in any review. Maximum of them say that 4.5 hours is the maximum screen on time that you will get, but you can see this is 5 hours and 48 minutes. So this is, I think, a new thing you are seeing most probably. So let's see 26th October. You can see 5 hours 50 minutes. This is the battery life that I am getting consistently, more than 5.5 hours each and every day. You can see 27 October 5 hours 31 minutes. And so also, battery life is 91%. Actually I have recharged it again from 0%, so I didn't use it. So this is the battery life, and this is the battery life of Friday, 5 hours 26 minutes. You can see the battery life, screen battery at 91%, but this is actually after recharge. I have recharged it from 0 to, so screen on time hasn't changed. So this is the screen on time that I got with that 100% battery life, 100% battery. So you can see if you see the battery screen on time, more than 5.5 hours each and every day. But most YouTubers say that it is 4.5 hours. So I think that video is definitely wrong, and I'm giving you the right information here. You can see all my videos. And guys, this is all I would like to say you. And I have not played heavy games. I just played Temple Run, Subway Surfer, this type of games. But these apps are downloaded. I'll make a separate video and show you. If you play heavy games, what will be the screen on time heavily. I've been using social media apps all the time. This is my usage pattern, and with this usage pattern and this much brightness, I'm getting this much screen on time. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video and find it informative, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you guys.